Welcome back, folks. Today we'll be showcasing another classic Filipino dish called Halabos na Hipon, or steamed shrimp. That's right, a classic, simple Filipino dish where fresh shrimp is steamed or boiled in its own juices with a few basic ingredients. Now, traditionally, it only requires water and salt, but modern variations or modern versions uses lemon lime soda like 7-Up or Sprite to add a subtle sweetness and enhance the natural flavor of shrimp. And speaking of modern versions or variations, I thought we give our halabos na hipon a simple twist. By incorporating some garlic and butter, and also chili flakes for a richer garlic butter style shrimp. That's right. So folks, if you want to learn how to make this garlic butter style shrimp, stick around and I'll show you how to make them. So let's get started. Alright folks, for our ingredients we'll be using some garlic, some lemon, butter. We'll also use some liquid seasoning here. I do not have Worcestershire sauce, so usually I use Worcestershire for making this dish, but since I don't have them, let's make use of what we have. Nor seasoning liquid as an option. Also, we'll use some pepper here, some coarse salt, olive oil. We'll use some white wine, and of course, our main ingredient would be a pound of white shrimp. So there you have it. Let's do this. All right, folks. The pan is hot. We're gonna start with some olive oil here. I'm using extra virgin olive oil here for our Halabos shrimp, Halabos or stir-fry shrimp. I'm gonna add 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. Gonna melt that in there. All right. I'm gonna add in some chopped garlic here. And we're gonna start browning our garlic before we add in our shrimp. All right, look at that, folks. It's a simple dish. Medium-high heat. All right, so once our garlic starts to brown out, let's now add our shrimp. Look at that, folks. Look at that. And here, we're gonna add some coarse salt. There you have it. Add me some little sherry wine there. For flavorings, if you have Worcestershire sauce, use them. If not, I have some Knorr seasoning here. 3 to 5 squeezes there. Half a juice of lemon. All right. Give this a stir. Let that alcohol evaporate. Look at that, folks. More garlic, the better, folks, for this kind of dish. And this only takes about, I would say, 3 minutes to cook. Some fresh ground black pepper. Some chili pepper flakes. Totally up to you, it's optional. Alright? If you don't want spicy, then don't use pepper flakes. Cover this up for about a minute. Alright, 1 minute's up. There you have it, folks. Perfectly cooked shrimp. Stir fried in butter and garlic. Or our shrimp Halabos. Halabos na hipon. I thank you for watching, and until we cook again. Wowza! May ulam na!